Hi, my name is Lucky, and this is the first project for the CS50W course. And here's my Google Chrome and the website project that we worked on. Must have 3 pages. As you can see, this is the home page, which is the normal Google search. Let's just test the functionalities. As you can see, if I go here and I search on Harvard, I can use the Google search button here, and as you can see, it takes me to the Google search results for Harvard. And then if I use I'm feeling lucky instead, as you can see, it redirects me, and when I click on this link, it takes me to the Harvard website. And so if I go back, let's just go back to our website. So that's the Google search. As you can see, the aesthetics here match Google's own aesthetics. You can see I added a hover effect to the search bar, also for the buttons, and I added links here on the upper right, and a few more buttons just for aesthetics. These do work, by the way. This takes you to Google's products, and then this takes you to Google Labs, and this takes you to the Harvard website. So if I go to my images here, you can see this Google images. If I search Harvard once more, here's the search button here, and as you can see, it takes me straight to the images section of Google. And then if I go back and what else? I just go to advanced search. You can see I can go here, I can say all these words. Let's say Harvard University, no, not quite. And then this exact word is the same, Harvard. And then any of these words, let's say computer science program. And then none of these words, I don't know, say something like Yale. And then if we click on advanced search, as you can see, this is where it takes me, and if you look closely here, it doesn't accept Yale. It takes Harvard exactly as I gave it, and these are the options. So if I just go back to my page here, let me just look at the specifications to make sure that everything is working as it's supposed to. I don't remember if I tested the I'm feeling lucky button, but if we just say Harvard here, and then I say I'm feeling lucky, as you can see, it redirects me. Yes, I did do that. Okay. Yes, that is my project. Thank you.